Good morning, first graders. So today we're going to continue our work with number partners for 10. So we've been working on it Monday, we worked on it yesterday, and we'll be working on it today. So that means we are on part 3 of number partners for 10. Stop the video. Perfect. So here we go. Let's start here. It says, use counters. Kim has 10 stickers. 8 are circles. The rest are squares. How many stickers are squares? So we know from this problem that the total, or the amount of stickers in all, is 10. So I'm gonna draw a square around the 10. I also know that 8 are circles. So I'm going to circle the 8. And the rest are squares. We have 2 graphic organizers to help us frame our thinking. So we can see here that the total is 10 and one of the parts of 10 is 8. So we need to figure out what goes in this box. And just like we have our map here, we have a problem. 8 plus blank equals 10. I want to know what number is going to go in that blank. So my first step is I notice that we have a 10 frame. How many circles do we need? Let's read the problem again. Use counters. Kim has 10 stickers. 8 are circles. 8 circles. Count with me as I put the circle stickers on the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. We have all the circle stickers that we need. Now the rest are squares. I know this is a 10 frame, which means we want all of these boxes to be filled because Kim has 10 stickers total. So I'm going to place the square stickers in the 10 frame. Now our 10 frame is full, which means we have 10 total, or 10 in all. How many square stickers do I have? 2. Perfect. I'm going to take my yellow marker and write a 2 in the boxes. So now that means 8 plus 2 equals 10, or 8 and 2 equal 10. 10 is the total. Let's move on to the next problem. Try it. Ooh, we get another problem to try. It says, Dahlia has 10 beads. 6 are red. The rest are yellow. How many are yellow? How do you know? So I know that she has 10 beads in all. I know that 6 of them are red, so I'm going to highlight the 6. Because I know that the 6 are red. The rest are yellow. I'm going to underline that in yellow to remind myself that the rest are yellow. How many are yellow? That's an important question to know. I need to know how many are yellow. And how do I know? Well, let's start. We have a 10 frame, which will, once we fill it, that shows the Dahlia's total amount of beads. So we don't need any more than 10. But how many red beads do we need? It says 6 are red. That means we need 6 red beads. Count with me as I place the red beads down on the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. We have 6 red beads. The rest are yellow. Well, I know Dahlia has 10 beads in all, which means I need to place the rest of the yellows in the empty squares. Count with me as I count the yellows. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many yellow beads do I have? I have 4 yellow beads. So 4, actually, we're going to do this. It'll be much easier. I have 4, or Dahlia has 4 yellow beads. There we go. Now we got our answer written. How do I know? Well, I know that the 10 frame, when it's full, means there's 10 in all, or 10 total. There's 6 red beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I know that 6 red and 4 yellow, when we add them, they equal 10, which is the number that we need. So that's how I know that I have 4 yellow, and I also could look back at our 10 frame and count them myself. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 beads. There we go. Let's move on to the next problem. I think we got the hang of this. Here we go. So we're going to break this last problem down even more. Now, I noticed we have subtraction. Look at that. And addition. So 10 minus 6, or 10 take away 6, equals blank. We want to find out what this question mark means. 6 plus blank equals 10. Use 10 counters. 6 are red, the rest are yellow. Just like Dahlia's beads. We have 6 red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the rest are yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I know that 6 and 4 equal 10, which means if I have 10 and I take away 6, let's cross them out. So I have 10 in the 10 frame. Let's cross out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left over? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 left over. So 10 minus 6, or 10 take away 6, equals 4. That means, just like last time, 6 and 4 equal 10. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. And according to our picture, Dahlia has how many yellow beads? 1, 2, 3, 4. Dahlia has 4 yellow beads according to our 10 frame. Let's move on to the next problem. Oh, we got more stickers in this problem. 10 stickers are in an album. Some are big, 1 is small. How many are big? Well, I know we have 10 in all. And I know some are big, but 1 is small. So if we have 10 total and 1 is small, I need to figure out how many are big. We're finding what plus 1 equals 10. Start with 1 and draw the counters to make 10. So we already have 1 in our 1 small sticker in our 10 frame. Now I need to draw the rest of the big ones to fill our 10 frame. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and our 10 frame is full. How many big stickers were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There were 9 and 1 small sticker. So I know 9 plus 1 equals 10 because our 10 frame is full. And if you're not sure if it's full or not, or if there's really 10 there, you can always go back and count all of the counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 in all. So now we know 9 plus 1 equals 10. And we'll give ourselves a check because we got that one right. Oh, another one that we have to draw counters for. It says, find 6 plus blank equals 10. So we want to figure out what the blank is, what the question mark is. Draw counters. Use 2 colors. I know that the total is going to be 10. I think I'm going to make my first set of counters green. So I'm going to make my first set of 6 green. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Now I need to fill the rest of the 10 frame because I know my total is 10. Let's use blue. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Noticed how I started with 6, put that number in my calculator and counted on to fill the 10 frame to make sure I had 10 in all. Now we can take our pen and count the number of blue counters to figure out what the missing addend is. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 6 green beads and 4 blue beads, which means 6 plus 4 equals 10. Now, if I have 10 take away 6, I'm going to take away 6 green counters from the total of 10. Count with me as I take away the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left over? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Would you look at that? These equations are very similar, except one's addition and one's subtraction. And in the addition problem, we're using the 2 small parts to figure out our total. In the takeaway problem or subtraction problem, we're using our total and taking away the largest part, that would make 10 up here, and it equals the smallest part. So just like when we draw our map, we have 10 in the first box. And then we have a part here, which would be 6. And another part here, which would be 4, because we know 4 and 6 equals our total of 10. Or 10 take away 6 would equal 4. Now that's the end of our slideshow. So now you're ready to practice on your own. So today, if your parent checked the website, you'll be doing another iReady practice paper. And then Thursday, we'll do another iReady practice paper. And then Friday, you'll be able to do an iReady lesson all on your own to practice what we've been learning. Number partners for 10. Remember, if you guys need any help, you can ask your family member or a friend to email Miss Hewes if you need some extra help. I hope you have a great day, and I miss you guys very, very much. Bye-bye.